Welcome to UG Hustle, where we take a look at innovative ways Ugandans are hustling to make ends meet in a country with a rapidly rising cost of living. Now, Ugandans are well known for their resourcefulness and determination, and on this channel we'll be showcasing the unique and creative ways they are hustling to turn their dreams into a reality. From small businesses to unconventional hustles, we'll be exploring how Ugandans are staying ahead of the game and making a name for themselves in the business world. Join us as we take a deep dive into the hustle culture of Uganda, as we also get to discover the secrets to their success. This is UG Hustle.